Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start new topic of this chapter, semiconductor devices. Today's topic is phototransistor. This is the last topic of this chapter of the unit 4. Phototransistor. Actually, there are two types of transistor: NPN transistor, PNP transistor. Transistor means there are total three terminals: emitter, base, and collector. This is emitter, base, and collector. In an emitter, it is made up of semiconducting material, and in a portion of the emitter of the NPN or PNP transistor, there is an extreme high impurity level in a portion of emitter. Base, either NPN transistor or PNP transistor, area of a base that is smaller compared to emitter as well as collector. Then area of a collector should be greater in a compared to base as well as emitter. So these are the basics of transistor. We can use NPN transistor or PNP transistor. In this explanation of this phototransistor, I have taken NPN transistor. So this is a NPN. There are two junctions: emitter base junction as well as base collector junction. We know that in a semiconductor diode, PN junction diode, we are using silicon or germanium. Silicon and germanium both are tetravalent element. Now by doping pentavalent impurities or trivalent impurities to the pure intrinsic semiconductor material, we are able to convert either p-type semiconducting material or in a n-type semiconducting material. So we are joining p-type material with the n-type material, and we are able to fabricate, we are able to construct, we are able to design PN junction diode. So in a PN junction diode there is a single junction, but if I want to fabricate this NPN transistor or PNP transistor, there are two junctions. This is emitter, base, and collector. So junction 1 is base emitter junction. This is a base emitter junction. Another junction is base collector junction. So this is the basics of just a transistor, not a phototransistor. This is a transistor. This is a symbol of transistor. But our topic is phototransistor. Transistor means this shows symbol of the transistor. This is a structure of the transistor. But whenever photons are falling onto the base collector junction, then this is a structure of the phototransistor. This is a structure, symbol of the phototransistor. Okay. So main theme or main order heading of the answer of this question of the phototransistor. First, a basic principle. After completing the basic principle, we will move to the working, schematic diagram, symbol, characteristics, applications, advantages and disadvantages. So this will be the basic structure of the answer. So this is a symbol of the phototransistor. This is a structure of the phototransistor. So whenever photons are falling onto this transistor, this light energy is converted to the electrical energy. And there is a similarity of the working of the phototransistor to that of the photoelectric effect, because this photon is falling onto the base collector junction. This photon is falling onto the base collector junction. So these photons are responsible to generate the electrons throughout this region. Actually, the photoelectric effect was first explained by Albert Einstein, and explanation of this photoelectric effect, by explaining this photoelectric effect, Albert Einstein got a Nobel Prize. So there is a similarity in a photoelectric effect as well as working of the phototransistor. Another thing is that we know that base collector junction light energy is falling. Here, collector of the NPN transistor that is connected with the positive terminal of the power supply or positive terminal of the external battery. Similarly, emitter of the NPN transistor, NPN phototransistor, that is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. So, collector is connected with positive terminal of the battery and emitter is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. So this is how the external power supply that is connected to the phototransistor. Another thing is that mainly or usually generally common emitter structure of the phototransistor having an open base is open. So common emitter structure or common emitter configuration that is being used to prepare this phototransistor for a working purpose. We are using common emitter configuration with a base which is being open. Okay. Then another thing is that now I am moving to explain the working, that how phototransistor is able to work whenever light energy is falling onto the phototransistor. So whenever light energy is not falling onto the phototransistor, so what happens if light is not falling onto the phototransistor? Then emitter base junction, this is JE, J means junction, E means emitter. So emitter base junction that is found to be in a forward biased region. We know that in a ordinary transistor, whenever junction is found to be in a forward region, then we can say that it is said to be in a saturation state. Whenever it is found to be in a reverse region, so we can say that whenever light energy is not falling onto the phototransistor, this JE emitter junction is found to be in a forward biased. So current will be high across this junction, but at that time this collector base junction, this is a collector base junction, this junction is found to be in a reverse biased. So this is a possibility whenever light energy is not falling onto the phototransistor. Now what happens? Now whenever this equation is found to be true, or we can apply this equation, this is equation 1. This equation 1 that is found to be true whenever emitter junction that is in a forward bias region, collector junction that is found to be in a reverse bias region, and this is possible whenever light energy is not falling onto the base collector junction. So at that time collector current is represented by IC and collector current follows this equation where beta is known as current gain. We know that beta that is equal to IC by IE. Current gain means output current by input current. We know that this is a current gain. We know that there is also another term that is voltage gain. Voltage gain is represented by AV. Voltage gain means voltage advantage, that is equal to output voltage by input voltage, VCE by VB. So current gain that is represented by beta, this is that term. So whenever light energy is